The earth remembers. It holds the stories of generations past, etched into its very soil. Each furrow plowed, each seed sown, leaves an imprint. These are the echoes of farmers, their love for the land woven into its fabric. From the time humans first tilled the earth, a bond was formed. This connection between farmer and land is more than just labor. For centuries, families have toiled, nurturing life from the ground. They learned the land's secrets, whispered from one generation to the next. These were not just lessons of agriculture. Each harvest tells a tale of dedication. It speaks of sweat and sacrifice, but also of joy and deep fulfillment. Farmers are the keepers of this ancient contract, a promise to care for the land and feed the world. Farming is more than a profession, it's a calling. It's a heritage passed down through generations. Grandparents teaching grandchildren the feel of rich earth, the rhythm of the seasons. This knowledge is a gift, a responsibility carried on strong shoulders. It speaks of resilience, of adapting to challenges, from unpredictable weather to changing markets. Yet farmers face each day with unwavering spirit. They understand that their work nourishes not just bodies, but souls. Theirs is a labor of love. It's about preserving a way of life, a connection to something larger than themselves. Every sunrise brings new challenges and triumphs. Farmers are resilient. They face unpredictable weather, fluctuating markets, and long hours. Their hands, rough and calloused, are a testament to their tireless dedication. But through it all, a quiet strength shines through. It's the spirit of the harvest, the deep satisfaction of nurturing life from seed to table. It's a passion that runs deep, fueled by a love for the land. It's this spirit that has sustained farmers for centuries. At Rocky Mountain BioAg, we recognize this legacy. We believe in the power of farmers. They are not just producers, they are stewards of the earth. Our mission is to empower them. We provide the tools and resources to enhance their legacy. This includes a commitment to sustainability, to protecting the land for future generations. Innovation is key. We embrace new technologies and practices that increase yield while safeguarding the environment. This ensures that the legacy of farming thrives. We celebrate the stories of individual farmers, those who embody the spirit of hard work, dedication, and love for the land. So the next time you sit down to a meal, remember the hands that help bring it to your table. Support your local farmers. Choose sustainable products. Learn about the journey of your food. By honoring our farmers, we honor a legacy as old as time itself. Let us ensure that this legacy continues to thrive, nourishing both body and soul for generations to come.